Carefully pinch open a gap from the top of the canopy frame and gently remove the light sheet. The light sheet is a plastic product with limited bending degree. Remember to be gentle when operating. Unscrew the 2 screws on the light strip. Unfasten the wiring port to replace the light strip. After replacement, tighten the screws to fix the light strip. Finishing light strip replacement, buckle the wiring port. Pay attention to the direction of the male and female connector. Put the line back into the hole. Find the groove of the frame from the upper right, align the light piece with the groove, and gently insert it. Adjust the position and install the light piece on the other side. Carefully install the last corner into the groove. Put the light frame tightly and complete the replacement.